welcome to 16 Clearview. This is an open house day for us at the Daftarian Group. I'm with one of our esteemed agents, Maddie. She's here with me today. We're going to be actually working 3 open houses. We're going to kind of be mobile. We've got other agents working this particular open house, and coincidentally, we've got an open house just 2 doors over at number 12 as well. Love to show you the finishes and the difference of the kind of design style. This one, if you kind of take a look at the fireplaces and the rift oak, it's got a very cool and transitional vibe. It also has a southwest exposure where you've got Crystal Cove in the background, beautiful canyon view, no rooftops. So a lot of people like the disappearing rooftops, and you've got ocean view all the way at the back. So it does have an expansive wide feel. I know Maddie's been through this one a few times. What are a couple of your favorite features about the house?
Off the main bedroom upstairs, you have a window that is a stackable window, so it opens all the way up. So when you're upstairs, you have this amazing view. So definitely, we're going to want to show you that.
I thought she'd say the hers closet, because they deleted a whole bedroom and bathroom to just make an expansive hers closet. And just as you go through this particular property, they touched all of it: the front, the landscape, the hardscape, the exterior paint, the lighting when you walk in, the handrails, the flooring, the stonework, the baseboards. All of it's been redone, and that's really what people want. People are always asking us, how are these prices getting so much, higher and higher? Because people are going, I think, a little bit more detailed, above and beyond with the remodels, because people want as close to new construction.
This is kitchen. It's just beautiful. It's like you want to just eat right off of this one.
It's got a lot of pop and a lot of wow, and I think when you do a home like this, it feels like a designer's built.
Absolutely.
People don't want to deal with all that. So we're going to take you guys through a little tour of this property, and then we're going to jump over to 12 Clearview and end at Tusain, which is a property in Newport Resort as well.
Great.
All right, so we don't normally get to do this, but we're leaving one of our open houses at 16 Clearview and just walking 2 houses over to 12 Clearview so we can go work that one. Maddie's got a buyer coming through there, so we're going to show the house to them and show you guys the details on that one. Hi guys, well welcome. We are at 12 Clearview. This is just 2 doors down from the other open house that we have at 16 today. We couldn't even get the filming going because there were so many people through this one, and the feedback has been kind of unanimous. You've got beautiful, again, no rooftop views. Yep. You've got a resort style backyard with a pool, with spillways, elevated spa. Look at this bar area with the barbecue in it, with the refrigeration. It just kind of lends itself to a backyard barbecue party.
Big party.
I know you love this bifolding panel glass kind of bar window door, if you will, along with the bifolding stackables there. This is a very unique kitchen, I think, for Newport Coast in general. It's something I think I'd see more in Corona Del Mar. It's beautiful. The black appliances are all from Decor, and you've got the flat panel cabinetry with this beautiful, I think it's a Brazilian quartzite home, if I'm not mistaken. And I know we were chatting about some of the things you love about this house. Get into what would they be?
I love that balcony. If you can take a peek right up there. Gorgeous view from up above, and it's just right off the main bedroom as well. And I have to say, I do love the pool. Yes, 16 Clearview does not have a pool. It has a beautiful ocean view. This home has a great view and a fabulous pool.
Yeah, and for someone who doesn't want to add a pool, of course you have room there to add one. But most buyers these days, especially at these price points, want what they want in the house. They don't have to deal with adding, and that's the benefit of having 2 renovated properties on the same street. And speaking of renovated properties, we're going to go to a 3rd one at Tusain. We're going to go there next, and we'll catch that one. I think we'll have to wait till that open house is done because there's going to be so many people through that one. The reason why that one's so busy is because it's listed right at $5.5 million. It's a totally different price point. As ridiculous as it sounds, it is affordable to get into a guard-gated community in Newport Coast. It's kind of your entry level into that guard-gated kind of benefit of having the guard. Again, not that big of a difference, but some people like having the manned guard gate community versus some of the ones that we call keypad. Right. This one, Pelican Ridge, has got 2 24-hour guards at the Vista Ridge and Ocean Ridge entrance. And if we'll pack up here and go on to the next one.
Yeah, and a little fun fact on Tusain that we'll be heading over to. I actually opened and sold that community. It's called Provence by Lennar Homes. So I'm excited to
I did
have us
forget
over
that.
there.
I'm disappointed that I forgot that.
No.
Yeah, yeah. What year was that in?
2000.
Wow. All right, well, let's head over there. All right, so we're at our third kitchen, third open house.
Yes, busy
Crazy
day.
day. We didn't even have a chance to shoot any content at the beginning of during this open house. There was that many people through it. We're at Tusain in Newport Coast North. Maddie and I had to help Joe kind of deal with all the people. There was standing room only at this property. We just shut it down. This one's got a beautiful kitchen. This is our third kitchen that has been renovated. Beautiful stone. This is, I'm pretty sure this is a Brazilian quartzite. They did a different kind of Caesar stone or quartz countertop for the kind of juxtaposition of like a pattern and the muted backtop to do all your prep work. You got beautiful herringbone stone in the back, custom cabinetry. This cool thing about this house is that on paper, it doesn't really seem like all it is. And what I mean is, it doesn't show that it's 5 bedrooms plus a bonus room, plus an office, plus all the bifolds, plus all the indoor
And it won't show it on the floor plan either because of the addition.
Yes, and I want you to tell everyone how you are very intimately knowledgeable about this whole community.
Oh, okay. So back in 2001, I actually was the salesperson here for Lennar Homes. So I am very intimate with this floor plan. So I do want to let you know that the owner actually added the additional dining room space that you see over here to our right. And it's absolutely gorgeous. And above it, it's also an additional bedroom that they added. So this is a very unique, one-of-a-kind home.
Yeah, it's a one-off, kind of a custom remodel, we call it. So they enclose the outdoor space right there off the kitchen, which is now the formal dining room. And then upstairs, they enclose the balcony space, which then allowed them to delete the primary suite, I guess, bonus area, and now make it part of a communal kind of loft. And it really does look big. It's got great privacy, nicely remodeled. We've got offers on this one already.
Just this weekend.
Yeah, and it'll be gone this week for sure because we've got more offers coming in. And it'll be a record price once it sells.
I just got to wrap this up by saying, so 3 open houses today, and because the Daftarian team is the #1 team in all of Orange County, this is Paul Daftarian, and there's no wonder why we are so successful.
I do want to end with one thing. I'm one person. It takes a team to really move a mountain, not a village. And I'm so proud of my team. There's no way even me and an army of assistants could do any of this. It takes top agents, super knowledgeable. Everyone on my team could be top producers in their own right. And I just feel so grateful that I'm able to even just witness kind of how knowledgeable, how professional. I mean, Maddie ran into a client of hers from a sale that she did years ago for Toll Brothers in Orchard Hills, and they remembered her immediately. That's the kind of people that we get to work around on our team. I'm lucky enough to work with are memorable, smart, honest, hardworking people. And that is a rarity in our business. So thank you very much.
My goodness.
Excited about the future. Joe's grabbing the open house signs. We're going to go help him and lock this one up.